In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an outer tie rod on a Honda CR-V, which is located behind the front wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. Here's your outer tie rod. You have your jam nut, it's 24mm. You want to crack that loose. You have your cotter pin here. You need to remove that cotter pin. You have a 19mm nut. You need to remove that. You can take a pair of pliers, clamp it on your inner tie rod, and you need to remove your outer tie rod. You're going to go to the left, but you're going to count those rotations. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. So 12 rotations. You have to remember that number. So when you put this outer tie rod back on, you go 12 rotations in and tighten your jam nut. Now it's time to install your outer tie rod, which ours was 12 revolutions. Yours might be a different number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. Snug up your jam nut and install the outer tie rod back into your knuckle. Take your outer tie rod and nut, which is a 19mm. Tighten that down at 40 foot-pounds. Bend your tabs off to the side. Now it's time to tighten your jam nut. You want to get that nice and snug. Now what you want to do is you want to install your wheel, take it for a road test, and make sure you get a front end alignment. Take your wheel, slide it over your lug nut studs. Install your lug nuts by hand. Give those a snug. After you lowered your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds. You want to do that in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.